How much should I spend on my branding? Oh God, that is a very interesting question. Branding is not a is something which you can only do for a few days or for a few weeks. Sometimes it takes years for a brand to be built. Branding is all about building that trust. So you can do two things. You can either spend the time or you spend the money. When I say when you spend the time, this is my time. I'm spending every day with you guys, or every weekday with you guys. Plus, I also upload other videos as well, which are not on the live stream, but that is what we are doing, is spending time creating that content, putting it up on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and all that. So we want to put our message, our brand in as many places as possible, so that people start to trust us. The other thing is obviously ads, and ads will accelerate your branding because you can reach to your target audience more quickly compared to trying to get organic traffic. So there is no number I can give you, unfortunately.